What's up, YouTube? We back. We out here. It's Monday, and I got the guys taking care of this dirty Honda Accord. I'm about to take y'all around it. They've been taking a couple things out of it. Woo! Trunk got a little something in it. Just do a recommended for right now. Do a recommended for right now. I'm trying to get her to go for a maintenance.
Okay. That trunk full of shit. I'm gonna leave that shit alone.
Yeah, that's not a better one. Man, yeah, the trunk do got quite a bit of stuff in it. Let's take a look at it, man. Y'all can see these door jams pretty bad. And wow, look at the floor, man. Sand everywhere, cup holders and stuff. Man, this car is kind of a mess. Not even kind of a mess. It's pretty bad, but we're gonna get it right. Let's just take a look at it. Outside. We back. Y'all know we did an awesome job on the Honda Accord, so let's take a look at it and show y'all the aftermath so y'all can see the wheels looking stupendous. The car is actually pure white, looking good. Got Joe hitting a little spot real quick. Gonna take y'all on the inside, let y'all see what it came out looking like. Man, y'all remember how bad this thing was? Yeah, she gonna see through the window. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we do our thing. That's what's up. Got the car seat back in the seats looking good. All the dirt off. They put a little shine on the mats. Can't beat that. Door panels looking good. Y'all see the jams all nice and whited out and whatnot. Looking good. Let's check out this cup holder area. Yeah. That's a bet, y'all. Another job well done by Winning Edge Carwash. So y'all know what to do. Hey man, check us out. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button for all the videos and all that good stuff, man. Make sure y'all put some comments down there. Talk to me.